Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Choose firm palm sugar blocks without mold and check for a pleasant caramel aroma. Feel the block for density and avoid soft, crumbly pieces that indicate moisture damage. Break blocks into 1-inch pieces or grate them for faster melting and more even measurement. Use a sharp knife on a stable board and keep fingers clear when chopping. Weigh pieces if your recipe uses grams. 1 cup grated equals about 200 grams. Toast a small piece briefly to test flavor before adding it to sweet dishes. Dissolve palm sugar in warm water at a 1-to-1 ratio for syrup consistency. Combine 1 cup grated palm sugar with 1 cup warm water in a small saucepan. Stir continuously over low heat to prevent burning and maintain flavor integrity. Simmer grated sugar gently for about 5 to 8 minutes until fully liquid and glossy. Strain the syrup through a fine sieve to remove solids and impurities before using. Cool the syrup at room temperature and store, refrigerated in a sealed jar, for up to 2 weeks. Use melted palm sugar to sweeten sauces, marinades, and 2 to 3 dessert recipes. Add 1 tablespoon to balance spicy soups, or use 1/4 cup in dressings and glazes. Stir palm sugar syrup into coffee or tea at 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup for caramel notes. Substitute palm sugar at a 1-to-1 ratio for brown sugar in many dishes, adjusting for intensity as needed. Freeze leftover solid blocks in an airtight bag for up to 6 months to preserve flavor. Regrate frozen blocks directly from the freezer when needed for recipes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.